Start by getting into your crucifix. From here, you're going to bring both hands down to the ground so they are directly underneath your shoulders. I'm now going to bring my inside leg towards my face so there's enough room for my outside leg to hook on the pole at the back of the knee. My inside leg is now going to come back towards my outside leg so my knees are touching. You've got to make sure your thighs are squeezing together. To ensure I've got enough squeeze between my legs, I'm just going to test this by taking one hand off at a time before feeling comfortable to take both hands off. To come out of this move safely, you're going to bring your hands back towards ground. You're going to make sure that your legs are back into your invert position. The same hand as your back leg is going to slide between your other hand and the pole, and you're going to think chin to chest, and you're going to slowly slide down to the ground.